So here to break down the new superfoods for what we hope is a super year is dietitian, founder of Nutritious Life, and friend of our show for a long time. This is Keri Glassman. Keri, take it away.
Bee pollen. What I love about bee pollen is little old bees make it. It's so from flower to flower, they make it, and it's actually, they keep it between their knees, and then we get it, and it's really just cool thinking of bees doing that. But you can find it in health food stores now, and it actually is the perfect example of a superfood because it's jam-packed with nutrition. About 40% of the calories you get in bee pollen is from protein. It's also jam-packed with antioxidants and inflammatory benefits, lots of vitamin A, so good for our immune system. And you know what I like to do is just top, you could
sprinkle
top
it
yogurt,
on your oatmeal.
you could top your oatmeal, you could sprinkle yogurt, and it actually also has been shown to be protective of the liver, which we know is so important for detoxifying our system. So, and then, yeah, put some blueberries on here.
Beautiful.
Yeah.